Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a full soft glam makeup tutorial and transformation on this light skin client. Full soft flawless glam. Hey lovelies, welcome back. Today's video is a full soft glam on this beautiful light skin client of mine. First thing first is using this toner from the Easy Witch to cleanse our skin properly. Next step is this facial serum, which is from the COSRS Snail SS. I applied that on the skin. Make sure it was properly blended using a mini fan to dry it. By the way guys, she's the brand owner of Petra Skin Spa. So when I was done with the serum, I applied a lip balm. This lip balm is for her. These are brown. You can patronize her, you can check her out. It was nice. I even got myself one. A lip balm is also your everyday soft glam makeup, so get yourself one. Before moving to the next step, which is the moisturizer, it's very important to allow each step to properly dry before you move to the next, to enable you have a full soft flawless based makeup. Okay, make sure you blend properly. And this moisturizer is very good and perfect for all skin type, skin friendly for both oily and combination skin. Blend. When you're done with blending of your moisturizer properly on the skin, then it's my next step here was moving to the mirror skin prep. This helps for a long lasting makeup effect. It helps to keep your makeup in place. It helps to reduce the amount of swells and oil your face and your skin is supposed to bring out. When I'm done with this step, I allow it to really dry, and then I went in with my Maro Bedesco setting spray, spray this skin, and then before going in with my foundation. Now each of this process have to just properly dry before you move to the next. As for foundation, I mixed the Huda Beauty, the Juvia's Place, and the L'Oreal True Match. Apply that using a brush. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't know the foundation process did not film. Okay, I'm really sorry. And on this day, this client was absolutely in a hurry, so it's just that, trust me, I must show you my work, my activities, and that's why I'm bringing this video to you guys, because you guys are so special and so close to my heart. Okay, but then I'll do another video showing you foundation routine. So I went in with my highlight. I was done with the blending of the highlight and went in with a shade darker foundation to just build on the nose, to properly sculpt the nose. And then I used a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, to blend that. And I also went on the cheek, apple of the cheek, and I'm just blending all of that. So it's important to blend. Blending is key when it comes to makeup process. Okay, and then it's time to blend the outer corner of the eyes. I went in, blend till you see no harsh line and until it's looking flawless. Okay,
take a breath and take a long look around before you step.
Time to set all of the areas where I initially highlighted using a concealer, and I'm setting with the Laura Mercier setting powder in Lucent. Okay, and this setting powder helps to just set the entire face.
I know that she knows no limits. She craves attention, she praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we've made her blind, so she tries to cover up her pain and cut her woes away. 'Cause cover girls don't cry after their face is made. But there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to change a thing, the world can change its heart. No skies say you're beautiful, we're stars and we're beautiful. You don't have to change a thing, the world can change its heart.
setting the entire face with my Laura Mercier setting powder, I went in with this Queen Cover Gear bronzer. I applied that on her nose as my contour powder. I also applied that on the edges of her forehead, her hairline, and her cheek, and to give the face a proper structure. Okay, and then I went back into my MAC skin finishing powder in medium dark to also make sure that all of those products are properly blended. And then I went in with a blush palette, a Nigerian brand called GLAM Cosmetics. Please do well to check them out on Instagram, as in their blush is one of the best Nigerian brand blush that you need. Check out the effect and the pigment on our skin. Don't you just love the effect that it gives? Gel, which is a Nigerian brand called the La Vida, and I just applied that on the brow hairlines, and then I use a mascara wand brush to just blend that properly. While waiting for it to dry down, I went in with my eyeshadow primer, which is the Ben9 Clown, and then I applied that on the eyelid using a fluffy brush to just blend that properly. You need this to properly blend before you apply any eye product, else it's going to crease. So pay attention to your blending and how you apply each makeup product. With a razor blade. Wondering what I'm using this razor blade for? I like to place a razor blade at the outer corner of her eyelid just to uplift her eyes. As you can see, her eyes are looking swollen now. This is one hooded eyes. Okay, and then I went in with my eyeshadow palette from the Anastasia's Beverly Hills, and I used a fluffy brush to apply that at the outer corner of the eye in a V shape, and then I place the product first. I dab the product on the eyelid first before I go in blending, and then I further went in back to the eyeshadow palette, and this palette right here is the Morphe eyeshadow palette. I took a warm color brown that looks like orange, but since she's light skin, it's like a brown. So you need to understand the placement of colors when it comes to eyeshadow, and because this is a full soft glam, I am explaining in details the essence of these colors and the right place to place them. You can see I just placed this warm tone orange eyeshadow at the inner corners of the eyes and not at the outer corner of the eyes. Okay, you place, you tap before you blend. This part of the eyes where I just placed this eyeshadow primer is called the tear dot. I went back into my eyeshadow primer to apply on the eyelid because I want to put a separate color there, and I need it to pop and to stick very bright. I need it to be properly blended, and I need it to be as pigmented as the other part of the face. That's the reason why I went back into my eyeshadow primer to have a little of that, place it, blend it on the eyelid properly before applying the color that I want. This is very important, especially if you want to apply a matte eyeshadow and you need the matte eyeshadow to pop properly. Then it's important that you apply a primer, go back into your eyeshadow primer, apply a bit of that before applying the product. You can see that the product that I applied just stick on the eyelid like a cut crease. Okay, this is also perfect. This technique is also perfect for when you want to achieve a cut crease eye, and like I said, she have hooded eyes, so this technique was needed for this to achieve this look. What I'm basically just doing is sweeping off all the fallout of eyeshadow that was on that part of the face, and then I went back into my Morphe eyeshadow palette and took a bit of that color to apply under the lower lash eye. Yes, I need to smoke that part of the eyes, and trust me, there's always a difference when you do this. Check out the eyes that I just did, apply that eyeshadow on, and check out the other part of the eyes where I have not placed eyeshadow on the lower lash to smoke it out. Let me zoom in so you understand what I'm saying. When you properly define or enhance your under lower lash line, the difference is clear. So this is what I mean. This is a closer picture of what I mean. And then I went in with my Tehila brow gel, black brow gel, eyeliner gel. I always love this product because it does not smudge and it's very pigmented, it's very dark, and I love the long lasting effect it has on my client's skin. Next off is application of mascara. I like to do this process before fixing the false eyelash because this just darkens the natural human eyelash and it makes it prepared to receive the false eyelash about to come in. So I like to go in with the Zaron mascara because the Zaron mascara is lengthening, is dark, and is waterproof. And then it's time for the brows. As for this eyebrow, please pay close attention to these brows because this is not my usual kind of brows. On this particular brow, I did something different, something special, something beautiful. I applied the brow gel on my Mirror Cosmetic brush, and as you can see, I am filling in the brows like I am trying to create an artificial hair strokes that she does not have. You can see how I just fill in the other parts, unlike my usual brow where I usually just outline the top and outline the under. On this particular part, all I did was I put that black gel liner, the Tehila black gel liner, on the angle brush, and then I'm just going light feather stroke. See what I did? And then I go light handed, placing those brow gel carefully, filling in, going gradually, creating those false hair stroke. And then you are thinking all of the hair that you see there, all of the brow shape that you see there is a natural brows. Okay, see what I'm doing? Try these techniques, or if you know you've done this before, let me know in the comment section because I actually really do enjoy creating this artificial feather stroke. Let me know if you've done this on the comment section and did you love it, because I loved it. All you need is place your hand carefully, go gently, creating those artificial feather strokes on the brows.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as
my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you
Fade away, yeah, 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 yeah. Woo, make us sing for now. Anyway, guys, I went in with my Beauty by Germs lip stain. Trust me, you get to hear my voice when it comes to this lip stain. Okay, keep watching.
as you fade away, as you fade away.
And tell me what this voice no be to sing. I just love this song, Fade Away. Anyway, guys, so I went in with my finishing spray. No, rather, it's important that I set the face, and I use the Jubia setting mist, and then I spray the setting mist on my beauty blender. Did you see what I just did? Take a look. I sprayed the setting fixing spray on my beauty blender to just place under those eyes, because trust me, anyhow you spray this thing, you know they always go under the eyes. I don't know why. Okay, so it's important that you go extra mile and you fix that, okay? And see this Beauty by Germs lip stain. Tell me why you never buy. And then it was time for me to go in with this body glow from the one and only De La Vida brand. As you can see, I don't just do PRO for brands. I'm selective. Like these brands that I bring to you, they are the best. They are the best or nothing. So I bring to you the very best. This body glow illuminator from the Nigerian brand La Vida, I just applied that on her shoulder areas, and then I applied that a bit on her face. I don't know if I captured that, but this glow is everything you need. And we have come to the end of today's video. Please do well to comment down below, share your thoughts with me, like this video, share this video to your frenemies, friends, your village people, and thank you for watching till now. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.